Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ashley Watkins Clark from Koa Entertainment Thailand LLC. Good morning to you all. I just wanted to make this video on behalf of Mr. Billa. I wanted to thank him again for allowing me to speak on the panel. I would like to extend my email, a special email for just you guys to reach out to, that I'll be checking once a day, and I'll spend an hour on it. It's a commitment of mine, it's a goal of mine to be there for you, to help you with any questions that you may have about anything. You can ask me anything in this email, and what we'll do is, we'll focus it on helping you to improve your English for the purpose of doing business. And I can help you with strategies or help you to see things differently. Maybe you're wondering how to think about going about certain things. These are all things that I want to do. So don't be afraid. Utilize the email. The questions that are more concise, so keep it to 1 or 2 sentences. Try to keep it very short. Start with just asking one question at a time. That way I can help as many people as possible every day. And if when I reply to your first question, feel free to come back and ask another question, but give me time to reply to your initial question first. So let's do one question, and one question at a time. I will reply. Okay, I'll go through and reply, and then I'll catch up. I'll come back to the top. But let's just do it in an organized manner. Keep in mind I'm spending up to an hour on this, and I want to help as many people as possible, and I want to give you guys valuable information, or make some valuable connections for you via Mr. Billa. I will most likely CC him on the emails as well, so he'll be able to see what we're discussing. But the whole purpose here is for you guys to utilize me and my understanding and my perspective, right? Because I'm usually the hiring manager, or the person, or hiring manager, not a hiring manager, but I'm usually the person who's doing the hiring for my company, and I understand what people are looking for, and I want to be able to help you to get an understanding of that perspective, so you can have that advantage as you're setting yourself up to be a more attractive client and contractor. So I hope that this helps you out. Again, good morning to you. It's about 7:11 a.m. here in Bangkok. I still need to go get some breakfast, and again, please check that email. I'll leave it in the link below, or Mr. Billa will extend it to you, or put it in this description. Anyways, all the best to all of you. Thank you. God be with all of you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.